Okay, we're in exercise 78 now, and starting with problem number one. Find the last term and the sum of the terms. And one of the things you certainly notice from the geometric section, but let's say you didn't. I would kind of look at these things and try to determine what it is. And looking at it, let me just write this down for you. A1 is equal to 1. A2 is equal to -2. A3 is equal to 4. In appearance, it appears to be geometric, with the understanding that R, this is the common ratio between the terms, -2 over 1, that's A2 over A1, and that would give you -2. Now let's just see if that works. What are you going to get? 1 times -2 is -2, -2 times -2 is 4, and you can continue this. Now certainly, I think initially you probably should, but what I mean by that, 1, -2, 4. Let's see, then you get -8. Next one would be 16, -32, 64, -128. And this goes on forever, by the way, 256. And they said 10 terms, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got one more to do. That's -512. Now, certainly if you wanted to, you could just simply say, I'm going to add those together, all right? Because they want to know what the last term is. Well, the last term is this, and they want to know what their sum is. But we're going to do something different. We're going to use what we've discovered about this geometric thing was that about how to get the terms down. So let me write this down for you, just a summary. AN, the nth term, if it's geometric, will equal the first term, A1, times R to the n minus 1. Well, let's write this down. So we want A10, right? They want the 10th term. What's A1? Well, looking at it, A1 is just 1. We discovered R is -2. And then it's going to be -2 to the 9th power, because 10 minus 1 is 9. What do you get over there? A10 would equal -512, right? Just like we did by moving forward. All right, so we got that. And next thing is I want the sum. And we've also discovered a sum formula for this. Let me write it down. The nth partial sum, we derive the formula, equal to 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R times A1. All right, let's write that down. And let's see. So we want S10, right? That's going to be equal to, well, let's be careful. So what's the bottom going to be? It's going to be 1 minus R. So that's going to be 1 plus 2, which is 3. What goes on top? 1 minus, well, R to the n. And what's R? R is -2. What's n is 10. And we'll do that later. All right, what do you get what do you get for A1? A1 was 1. The objective here now is to actually do the arithmetic, if it's not too difficult. Let me write this down for you. S10 is equal to, again, this is 3. This will be 1 minus, well, let's say 2 to the 10 is going to be 1024. Let me do the arithmetic. That's going to be minus 1,023 over 3. Certainly it's divisible by 3. I'm going to go through the arithmetic. 3 into 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 12, 3, 1. So S10 is equal to minus 341. All right, so what was your question? Well, let's go back. Find the 10th term. I did that. The 10th term is right over here. And we found the sum. We got this over. We got both answers. And again, depending how you want to do it, I mean, initially you may want to say, I just want to write the terms down. I want to add them together. That's fine. But we're really going to aim towards using formulas. And the big formulas we're going to be using is this one over here. That's a big one. And this one over here. 2 different formulas. All right? Thank you.